Imagine this. You're talking to a woman you really like. You want to impress her, keep her engaged, make her feel something. But instead, the conversation falls flat. She smiles politely, but deep down, she's already checked out. Sound familiar? Here's the truth. Most men struggle to keep a woman hooked in a conversation. They either try too hard to impress her or freeze up completely. But what if I told you there's a way to make her hang on to your every word? It's not about looks, money, or status. It's about sparking emotion. And the secret? Asking the right questions. In this video, I'm giving you 6 powerful questions that will flip the script. These aren't boring surface-level questions. These are the kind that make her intrigued, excited, and even obsessed with you. So if you're ready to stand out from 99% of men and create a connection she won't forget, let's dive in. 1. What's the most attractive quality you look for in a man? Most guys try to impress women by talking about themselves, their achievements, their wealth, their status. But true attraction isn't about what you own. It's about how you make her feel. By asking this question, you're showing her that her thoughts and emotions matter. She's not just going to rattle off good looks or confidence. She'll tell you what truly draws her in on an emotional level. Maybe it's ambition, emotional intelligence, or a sharp sense of humor. Now, a weak man hears this and immediately tries to mold himself to fit her answer. A strong, stoic man listens, without judgment. If she values honesty, he doesn't fake it. He lives it. If she values confidence, he doesn't pretend, he builds it. And here's the secret. The moment she answers, she starts analyzing you. Does this man have what I'm looking for? If the answer is yes, she feels a natural pull toward you. If the answer is no, but you remain composed, self-assured, and unbothered, she'll still be intrigued. Most men talk. A stoic man listens. That's why he wins. 2. What do you value most in a relationship? This question shifts the focus from attraction to connection. Most guys try to impress women by boasting about their qualities. But a deep connection isn't built by talking. It's built when she feels understood. When you ask this, you're making her reflect on what truly matters to her. Trust, communication, loyalty, emotional support. Her answer tells you what she needs to feel secure and fulfilled. And here's where you set yourself apart. You don't just listen, you absorb. A stoic man doesn't promise loyalty, he lives it. He doesn't say he communicates well, he shows it. If she values emotional stability, he doesn't lose his temper over small things. If she values adventure, he doesn't just agree, he leads a life full of purpose and excitement. And here's the deeper trick. When she shares what she values, she subconsciously starts imagining you in that role. If she says she loves deep conversations, and you're already making her think deeply, she's already feeling drawn to you. A weak man fakes what a woman wants. A strong man listens, reflects, and improves, not for her, but for himself. That's the difference between fleeting attraction and lasting desire. Want a woman to be crazy about you? Make her feel heard, not just desired. 3. What do you enjoy most about those close, intimate moments with someone you trust? This isn't about surface-level attraction. This is about emotional depth, the key to making a woman deeply attached to you. You're not just asking about physical intimacy. You're asking what makes her feel safe, cherished, and emotionally fulfilled. Maybe she says she loves feeling completely understood, where she doesn't have to pretend to be someone else. Maybe she values deep, unfiltered conversations at midnight, where vulnerability is met with warmth instead of judgment. Whatever she says, she's now associating those emotions with you. A stoic man doesn't force intimacy. He lets it build naturally through trust, patience, and emotional control. He listens. He absorbs. He lets her feel that her words matter. That moment of silence after she speaks, that's where the connection deepens. And remember, when a woman shares what makes her feel most connected, she's revealing what she truly desires in a man. If you embody those qualities, you don't have to chase. She will come to you. 4. What's something you've always wanted to try but never have? This question taps into her adventurous side, her dreams, her secret desires, the experiences she's longed for but never pursued. Maybe it's skydiving, learning a new language, traveling somewhere exotic, or even something simple like dancing in the rain without worrying about what others think. And here's where the magic happens. You're now part of that dream. Most men try to impress a woman by listing their achievements. A Stoic man makes her feel something: excitement, curiosity, possibility. Ask her why she hasn't done it yet. Is it fear, time, self-doubt? By getting her to open up, you make her feel deeply connected to you, because you understand her on a level most men don't. And the best part? If you align with her passion, you now have a future planned together. She will subconsciously link her dream with you. A weak man tries to impress. A Stoic man makes her excited about life. And that excitement? That's what makes her crazy about him. 5. What's the most attractive thing in a man? Something that drives you crazy. Most men assume women only care about looks, money, or status. But attraction runs deeper than that. When you ask this, you make her reflect on the core traits that make a man irresistible to her. Maybe it's quiet, unshakable confidence. Maybe it's intelligence, the way a man speaks with depth and purpose. Maybe it's emotional strength, the ability to handle life's storms without losing control. The key? You don't just listen, you embody those traits. A woman isn't just attracted to what you say, she's drawn to what you show. A Stoic man understands that the most desirable qualities aren't about impressing women. They're about becoming a man of substance, a man who naturally attracts women. When you develop strong character, emotional control, and confidence, women don't just like you, they become obsessed with the way you make them feel. 6. If you could relive one moment in your life, what would it be? This question isn't just about nostalgia. It's about understanding what truly matters to her. Maybe it's a childhood moment where she felt completely free, a family gathering filled with love, a romantic night that made her heart race. Whatever her answer, it reveals her values: love, adventure, connection, personal growth. When you ask this, you're showing deep interest in her emotions. And here's the psychological trick. When someone relives a beautiful memory, they associate those warm, happy feelings with the person who made them remember it. That person is you. A Stoic man appreciates the present as much as the past. If she cherishes a joyful moment, remind her that life is full of opportunities to create more of them. By making her feel heard and understood, you naturally draw her closer. Final thoughts. Asking the right questions isn't about filling silence. It's about creating emotional depth. Each of these 6 questions opens a doorway into a woman's heart and mind, making her feel understood, valued, and drawn to you. Because attraction isn't about looks or status. It's about how you make someone feel. Now it's your turn. Try these questions and watch how they transform your conversations. Drop a comment below on which question you're most excited to use. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more powerful insights on attraction, confidence, and Stoic wisdom. See you in the next one.